Right, hey guys, sorry for the massive delay on part 3, but today I will be showing you very important things. Starting off, we're going to be looking at the RAM. The new 3DS has 40 megabytes of RAM available, but that can be upscaled to 128 megabytes of RAM, but it will take some system RAM. The old 3DS has 20 megabytes of RAM available, and it can be upscaled to 46 megabytes, also taken from system memory. To do this, go to Edit, Project Settings, Player, then go to Other Settings, and then in Memory, Device Memory, New 3DS 35, Device Memory 3DS 45. So now this runs on both devices now, only that the 3DS is at lower frame rate. Something also important is that, for example, this scene alone, the main menu scene, has 38 megabytes of storage, meaning it would fill a new 3DS and an old 3DS with the current settings. Therefore, you have to deload that entire scene, and in that new scene you created, for example, this one, called as the loading chamber, is nothing but 2 cameras and an embedded system which loads the loading chamber. And this script contains just something inside that will load a new scene. Because if we would just try to load it directly, it wouldn't function because it would run out of memory. Which is very important, that we do not run out of memory. Else the 3DS will crash, which we don't want. Now you can make this as advanced as you want, but I just recommend it like this. Now to something that is very glitchy still, materials and other things. I will create a new material. And I'm going to show you how I always do it. So I just name it just matte, and shader standard doesn't work. Unlit, color, texture transparent, all these work. And mobile, vertex lit and vertex lit only directional lights both work. But I will only be using unlit texture. And legacy shaders, transparent and vertex lit also works just fine. Meaning that you can select the texture here, anything, and it will work and render just fine. But to make sure it actually renders fine and everything, you have to make sure that, hold on, I'll just get something real quick that I already have. Here, the background. Now, as you can see, I always have it overwritten to 512, 256, 128, 6432, which will all lower the entire size of the ROM, which is good. If you want a high quality game, you want normally 512, which is the highest possible, and point, no filter, clamp. And I forgot what I wanted to say. Yeah, that's kind of basically it. Yeah. So, everything should work for you. Oh yeah, right. And something you can run into if you use a lot of pictures and stuff is that you're out of media size. Now the media size should be in the publishing settings, which you should put if you're gonna make a really high quality game. 256 megabytes, 512 1 GB, or 2 gigabytes. 128 megabytes is the standard, and for the save data you can make it anything. 1 megabyte is recommended for bigger games. So everything should then work on our real 3DS. Now I am very sorry about this massive delay, but I hope you enjoyed this. It's very short. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments and I will respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.